Hello, this is Max with A1 Website Pro, and we are going to talk about pages today and how to add and edit our pages. We're looking at Fenderstock Law PLLC, and first, when we glance over this website, this top half here, this top part you see is the header, and the header also includes the navigation. These particular pages that you see here, they are all these are all pages, these buttons here. As we scroll down, we see that there's a graphic, and we have a sidebar here over clientele, and then also we have a sidebar over here on the right. And the center, right here, where I highlight, this is the page that you're actually editing whenever you edit pages in the WordPress content management system. The bottom half here, from attorney advertising down, of course, is the footer. Now, where you edit this is in your dashboard, and if you scroll clear to the bottom here, there's a little login link down here that we've included in the footer. Now I'm going to hold my control button down on my keyboard, and I'm going to hit login, click on it, and it'll bring me up another tab in Chrome, and this will give me my login screen, and I'm going to go ahead and hit login, and then the dashboard will be displayed. Now this is your dashboard at a glance, what's going on. We could go over this later. But I'm going to focus your attention over here under pages. And if we hover, we could see that we get a pop-out, all pages, and then add new. I'm going to go ahead and click on the pages button, and you'll see that it becomes highlighted in gray with all pages and add new underneath of it. Now the all pages, we can see since it's in bold, that's what's highlighted here right now, all these different pages that you see here across the menu bar. Now, the page that we're going to edit a little bit here is the real estate page, so I could show you how the editor works. And we'll go ahead and click on real estate, and we can see that there's an auto save here because I was working on it earlier. But the name of the page is called real estate. We can see that here also. It's dynamically generated, so whatever you name that is what's going to be named here. So the next thing that you see is the permalink, realestatenewyork.com/real estate. And so we can see that if we look at the URL here, we can see that's what it is. Let's say that you wanted to insert a picture, let's say right here. Let me go ahead and correct this. What we would do is we would place our cursor, make sure that it's blinking there, the cursor's blinking, and then we would hit this button, Add Media, and we would select the picture that we want and give it a title, give it a caption, an alternate text and description. That's just good for SEO. And let's say that we wanted to align this to the left. We'll go ahead and do that. And maybe we want to link this picture someplace. We could link it to the actual media file, the picture itself, or a custom URL or attachment page. Or we could just select none. And we're going to select none because we don't want it linked anywhere. Here we can select the size of the image, and we're going to go ahead and leave it medium and click Insert into Post. And we can see that the picture's in there, but it just seems like it's a little bit too big. So we're going to hover over, we're going to click on the picture, and this little icon you see here for Edit Image, we're going to go ahead and we're going to shrink that down to maybe 60%. Here you can, again, align it, give it a title, and we'll go ahead and give it the Shake Hands title. And then we'll go ahead and click Update, and we see that the picture has shrunk down a little bit. And any change that you make in here, you always have to select this Update button. And then, so that way, it will be updated dynamically on the page. So we go back to the real estate page, let's refresh it and see that our picture is in there, and we see that it's in there. And so that's how we insert a picture. Now let's say that you just wanted to delete the picture. That's pretty easy. You just select on the picture, and this little delete image icon appears, and voila, the picture's deleted. Once again, you select update, and then you go down to you hover over and refresh the page, and you'll see that the image is now removed. Some other different things that I would like to point out quickly. you'll see that this is an editor for your HTML. Basically what you would do is you would highlight the text if you wanted it bold, or italicized, maybe a strike through. If you wanted bullet points, or maybe you wanted numbered, you could do that. If you wanted to take it off, you just click it again and it takes it off. This is a block quote. If you wanted to align it to the center, to the right, of course you would click that. If you wanted this text linked to somewhere, then you would have this link button, or possibly you want to link to another page on your website. You just click the page that you want to link to, click add link, and you see that the link is there. If you wanted to remove that link, you would just select the text or anywhere within the hyperlink and then click unlink, and you can do that as well. This insert more tag is mainly used for posts, so we're not going to get into that just yet. If you wanted to spell check, you could spell check. If you want to work in full screen, you can do that very easily by clicking on that little icon there, or exit full screen. And here's your different formatting options. If you want a paragraph or a heading, so on and so forth. I'm sure you're familiar with this if you've worked with Microsoft Office. If you wanted to underline certain text, you could do that as well. Change the color of the text, you would do that here. If you were going to paste text, let's say that you were writing in Notepad and you wanted to paste the text, you could use this, or of course you can always use Control V, the shortcut on your keyboard. If you're writing something in Microsoft Office, Word, you would want to use, this is the recommended option to paste from that. Let me show you how that works. You would this little box would appear, and you would hit Control V and then click Insert. Sometimes we need to remove the formatting, so we would hit this little eraser, and that would remove all the formatting from your page. Sometimes we might need a copyright symbol or a trademark symbol or something of that nature, so we would go ahead and use this little icon to insert those types of things. And remember, anytime you make an update or a change, you must click the update. This little page attributes, well, first let's go up here to publish. Sometimes you might want to save stuff as a draft, so you might want to select draft, or let's say that somebody else made a post, but you didn't give them authority to, go ahead and make the post and publish it, but you wanted to review it first. You could do that as well. Let's say that you wanted a password, a particular page or post password protected, and you would select password and enter the password that you wanted for people to have to reveal the page or post. And then maybe you just want to make it private altogether. You would select that. But we're going to keep this public. This is some data on when it was published. If you wanted to trash it, of course you can move it to trash. Under page attributes, what we have is if we wanted this real page of, for instance, home, then we would select that. Now, the structure of this website is laid out a little bit different, so these page attributes actually do not apply. And so I'm going to put that down like that. Featured image is something that you can use in your post page that really does not apply to this theme. So we're just going to go ahead and remove the featured image and close that down. SEO settings. Text a little bit better, but you want to remain with the common theme or the common theme of the page, and this particular one is real estate in New York, so that's what we want to make sure that we post here. Real estate New York, and one more, and here's some URLs, or if you wanted to redirect this page to a different page, you could do that as well. Don't want you to concentrate too much on that. Just make sure that you enter those different SEO settings and hit update every time you do. And then we'll go to the page. We'll refresh the page and see that these different things. And oops, sometimes we put a picture in, we see that looks like there was some formatting on this first sentence here. So we're going, in order to reveal sometimes formatting, and we're not going to see it in the visual aspect, but we will see it in the text aspect. And we see that this formatting style here, we don't want that. So we just want it to be the regular. So we're going to take out all these little span things that I was using to show you how you could make things highlighted or bold or whatnot. And we'll go ahead and take these little things out and go ahead and click update. Well, we need a little space there. So we'll hit update, go back to the website and refresh. And we should see, and we do, it's like the rest of the page, but we're missing a space there. So let's go back to the visual here, and we see that the WordPress, sometimes we'll have to go back and edit it again. And so we need a space there. WordPress sometimes takes out HTML, and it's hard sometimes to get the program to recognize. So you might want to try a couple different things to get your line breaks in there. And we see that we got our line break back. So that's pretty much how you edit a page. You add images in a page and style text and different things within the WordPress content management system. I hope this has been thorough enough to help you get started on adding and editing your pages. Of course, if you were going to add a page, you just click Add New and give it a title. Give it the content goes in here, and don't forget to fill out the SEO, the document title, the meta description, and the keywords. Basically, this has been a rundown to help you get quickly started on adding and editing pages in your WordPress content management system on Real Estate Law New York for Fenderstock Law. Thank you.